Fish and chips golden. Beautiful cod dish, amazing seafood.
This fish changed the world. It built empires, started wars, and feeds millions every day. But here's the shocking truth. Most people don't even know what real cod looks like. Stay tuned because today we're diving deep into the incredible story of codfish. Welcome back. I'm your host, and today we're exploring one of the ocean's most important fish, the mighty cod. From ancient Vikings to your local fish and chip shop, cod has been feeding humanity for over 1,000 years. But there's so much more to this fish than meets the eye. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what real cod is, where to find the best ones, and some cooking secrets that will blow your mind. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got amazing seafood content coming your way.
Let's explore the wonderful world of cod varieties. There are so many delicious options to choose from. True cod includes Atlantic cod and Pacific cod. Both are absolutely fantastic. Then we have some fish with cod in their names that are completely different but equally delicious. Black cod, which is actually sable fish, has the most incredible buttery, rich flavor. It's like the premium steak of the seafood world. Real cod has 3 beautiful fins on its back, a cute little whisker under its chin, pristine white flaky meat, and the most wonderful mild sweet taste. Black cod has 1 elegant back fin, silky rich meat, and an absolutely luxurious buttery flavor that melts in your mouth. Lingcod is another amazing fish with a firm texture and fantastic flavor. Each variety brings something special to your kitchen.
Now let's meet the stars of the cod family. Atlantic cod, the classic beauty, lives in the pristine North Atlantic waters. Can grow magnificently large up to 6 feet. Some live over 30 years, developing incredible flavor. This fish has nourished entire civilizations. Pacific cod, the sustainable star, thrives in the clean North Pacific waters, perfectly sized for family meals, incredibly sustainable and responsibly managed. Alaska produces some of the world's finest cod. Amazing fact, the largest cod ever caught weighed 211 pounds. These fish can grow to impressive sizes for excellent eating. Cod are perfectly adapted to cold, clean waters. They thrive in these pristine environments, developing excellent flavor and texture.
Cod has the most fascinating culinary history. 1000 AD. Vikings discovered they could preserve cod by drying, creating nutritious food for long journeys. This innovation helped them explore new lands. 1200s. European communities built thriving economies around cod. Entire cities prospered, celebrating this wonderful fish in festivals and traditions. 1600s. American coastal communities developed incredible cod recipes and traditions. Massachusetts honored cod so much, they placed a beautiful wooden cod sculpture in their state house, and it's still there today as a symbol of prosperity. Through the centuries, families have passed down amazing cod recipes from generation to generation. Today, we continue these beautiful culinary traditions while creating new ones. Let's discover where the world's most amazing cod comes from. The champions. Alaska produces some of the world's finest, most sustainable cod. Iceland. Crystal clear Arctic waters create incredibly clean-tasting fish. Norway. Masters of traditional cod preparation with centuries of expertise. Cod love deep, cold, pristine waters, usually 100 to 400 feet down in the cleanest ocean environments. Best cod seasons: fall and winter, when fish are at their peak flavor and texture. Spring brings spawning season when we give them space to reproduce. Summer offers lighter, delicate preparations. Wild cod has incredible flavor from their natural ocean diet. Most cod available is beautifully wild caught from sustainable fisheries. Let's learn how to select the most beautiful cod for your kitchen. Perfect fresh cod has these wonderful qualities: crystal clear bright eyes that sparkle, beautiful bright red gills, firm flesh with a lovely bounce, smells like the fresh ocean breeze. Smart selections. Tail pieces are perfect for everyday family cooking and absorb flavors beautifully. Center cuts and loins offer restaurant-quality thickness for special occasions. High-quality frozen cod gives you flexibility and convenience. Look for sustainability certifications like MSC. Marine Stewardship Council. This ensures you're supporting responsible fishing practices. The best shopping months are October through March, when cod is in peak season. Now let's master the art of preparing cod like a culinary pro. For frozen cod, the best method is gentle thawing in the refrigerator for 24 hours. For quicker preparation, use a cold water bath, refreshing the water every 30 minutes. Here's a wonderful kitchen technique. Use clean tweezers to remove any small bones. This takes just 2 minutes and creates a perfectly smooth eating experience. For an incredible culinary adventure, try traditional salted cod, also called bacalhau. Soak salted cod for 24 to 48 hours, changing the water several times. The result is incredibly concentrated, complex flavor that Portuguese cuisine celebrates. Portugal has developed over 300 amazing recipes for salted cod. It's become a cornerstone of their beautiful culinary heritage. Let's explore 6 fantastic ways to cook cod to perfection. Method 1. Pan searing for golden perfection. Pat dry, season beautifully, use a hot pan, 4 to 5 minutes per side. Creates a gorgeous golden crust with flaky, tender inside. Method 2. Oven baking for easy elegance. 425 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Add fresh lemon, aromatic herbs, golden breadcrumbs. So simple yet sophisticated. Method 3. Excited classic fish and chips. Light, crispy beer batter using ice-cold beer. Don't overmix for the perfect texture. 350-degree oil, 3 to 4 minutes. Absolute comfort food perfection. Method 4. Thoughtful grilling for smoky flavor. Well-oiled grates, gentle handling, beautiful grill marks. Creates incredible smoky notes that enhance cod's natural sweetness. Method 5. Gentle poaching for delicate results. Perfect for traditional preparations. Keeps the fish incredibly tender and pure in flavor. Method 6. Professional restaurant-style confit. Slow cooking in quality olive oil at low temperature. Results in butter-soft fish with incredible richness. Proud perfect doneness is 145 degrees Fahrenheit, when the fish flakes beautifully and looks opaque throughout. Cod is celebrated in cuisines around the world. Let's take a delicious global tour. Portugal. Bacalhau à brás. Fluffy scrambled eggs, golden crispy potatoes, and flavorful salted cod. Pure comfort and tradition. England. The legendary fish and chips. Crispy golden batter surrounding tender cod. The dish that introduced cod to the world. Perfect beer batter is absolutely essential. Norway. Creamy fisksuppe. A warming, nourishing fish soup perfect for cold days. Incredibly comforting and full of tradition. Spain. Magical pill. Cod gently cooked in olive oil until it creates its own silky, creamy sauce through natural emulsification. It's culinary magic. Jamaica. Vibrant saltfish and ackee. Their beloved national dish showcasing how cod traditions traveled and evolved. Beautiful fusion of cultures. Brazil. Delicious bolinho de bacalhau. Crispy cod fritters that are absolutely irresistible. Perfect party food and street snacks.
Cod is not only delicious,
It's incredibly nutritious and perfect for healthy living. In just 4 ounces of cod, only 120 calories. An amazing 25 grams of high-quality protein. Almost no fat while providing beneficial omega-3s. Rich in vitamin B12 and selenium for optimal health. Fantastic for heart health. Naturally low in saturated fats while providing beneficial nutrients. The omega-3 fatty acids support brain function and overall wellness. Perfect for active lifestyles and weight management. High protein content helps you feel satisfied while staying light and energetic. Great news for families. Cod is naturally low in mercury, making it perfect for regular enjoyment by everyone, including children and expecting mothers. Turn leftover cod into amazing new meals. Here are some fantastic ideas. Day 1. Beautiful baked cod dinner with family. Day 2. Transform into delicious codfish cakes mixed with creamy potatoes and fresh herbs. Day 3. Create amazing cod salad for perfect sandwiches. Day 4. Add to hearty pasta dishes or comforting chowders. Storage wisdom. Cooked cod stays fresh for 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. You can freeze cooked cod for up to 3 months for future meals. Always reheat gently to maintain that perfect tender texture. Smart cooking tip. Prepare a larger piece of cod and enjoy it in different delicious ways throughout the week. Before we finish, here are some absolutely amazing cod facts. Cod can live over 30 years, developing incredible flavor and firm texture in their ocean environment. A single female cod can produce up to 9 million eggs, ensuring the continuation of these magnificent fish. Cod cheeks and tongues are considered absolute delicacies, with a texture similar to tender scallops. Traditional cod liver oil has been treasured for centuries as a source of important vitamins and nutrients. Some cod are excellent travelers, migrating over 1,000 miles through clean ocean waters, developing great muscle tone and flavor. Recent research suggests cod have excellent sensory abilities, possibly even recognizing different environments for optimal feeding. What an incredible journey learning about amazing cod. Let's celebrate what we've discovered. Real cod has 3 beautiful back fins and a charming chin whisker. Alaska and Iceland provide some of the world's finest sustainable cod. Fresh cod should smell like the clean ocean. Cook to 145 degrees for perfect results. Traditional salted cod opens up a whole world of incredible flavors. I'd love to hear about your cod cooking adventures. What's your favorite preparation? Have you tried making homemade fish and chips? Share your experiences in the comments. If you enjoyed discovering the wonderful world of cod, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have so many more amazing seafood adventures to share with you. Thank you for joining me in celebrating this incredible fish. Until next time, keep cooking with passion and joy.